Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video brings you a complete tutorial on how to connect the Skydroid C14 gimbal camera to the Skydroid G20 remote controller. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to wire the system. How to configure and display the image. For this test, the products used include the Skydroid C14 gimbal camera, Skydroid G20 remote controller, Skydroid G20 receiver, and a TATI 22.2V battery. The cables used include the C14 Ethernet power cable and the G20 receiver power cable. For wiring, connect the POW plus LAN port of the C14 to the LAN port of the Skydroid G20 receiver. The connector on the C14 side is GH1.257 pin, while the connector on the Skydroid G20 receiver side is GH1.254 pin. Next, power on the G20 receiver. The receiver power interface is XT30. Finally, power on the C14 gimbal camera. The C14 uses a JST 2.54mm power connector. For image display and operation, power on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV application. When using the software for the first time after installation, you will be prompted to select the device model. If there is no video feed after entering the app, tap the switch icon in the upper right corner, find the C14 icon, and select it to display the image. On the left side of the interface, the first icon is video recording. The second is photo capture. At the bottom of the screen, the icons include crosshair display, reverse line display, laser rangefinder, floating window, and parameter settings. Tap the laser rangefinder button to perform a single measurement. The effective range is 5 meters to 1 kilometer. The floating window function requires enabling permission in the remote controller settings. The parameter settings option will be explained in detail next. On the right side, the first row of buttons includes your center reset, global center reset, and 1 key downward. The second row includes 1 key zoom in, increase zoom, decrease zoom, and 1 key zoom out. Now let's look at the parameter settings. Under gimbal control, you can enable AI tracking and 3 different control methods. Multiple control methods can be selected at the same time. Gimbal calibration is used to calibrate the working temperature of the gimbal to prevent malfunction caused by a large temperature difference between the environment and the IMU. Gimbal fine-tuning is factory calibrated. Do not adjust unless there is a specific issue. Working mode allows you to select upright or inverted mounting. Gimbal speed can be set to constant speed mode or variable speed mode to adjust rotation sensitivity. The color palette allows adjustment of the thermal imaging display effect, with 11 selectable options. 4 gimbal control methods. AI tracking allows the C14 to automatically follow a selected target. AI tracking cannot be used at the same time as gesture control. When AI tracking is enabled, onboard recording resolution will automatically switch to 720p. When AI tracking is disabled, recording resolution is 4K. Virtual joystick control allows you to control gimbal pan and tilt directly on the screen, and supports one key center reset. Gesture control allows gimbal movement by sliding on the screen. Remote controller channel control allows customized channel mapping for pan, tilt, photo, and video functions. This feature is only compatible with Skydroid remote controllers and does not support other brands. When selecting upright or inverted mode, make sure the gimbal installation orientation matches the actual mounting position. Incorrect installation may cause motor damage. The color palette allows adjustment of the thermal imaging display effect, with 11 selectable options. In the settings page, the first line shows the C14 visible light video stream address. The second line shows the thermal imaging video stream address. And the third line is the video transmission switch. Turning it off will stop video transmission. Scrolling down allows you to configure encoding mode, image flip, camera firmware version display, and OSD settings. If you want to display the image in Q-ground control, copy the C14 visible light video stream address. Open Q-ground control, go to Application Settings. and in the General tab set the video source to RTSP video stream. Paste the address and return to the flight interface to view the real-time image. The thermal video stream follows the same setup process. Please note that if you want to control the camera movement via joystick in Q ground control, the gimbal FPV application must remain running in the background. Otherwise, control commands will not be transmitted properly. That concludes the complete tutorial for connecting the Skydroid C14 to the Skydroid G20. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We will continue bringing you more drone product reviews and practical tutorials. See you in the next video.